Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I use lemongrass on my hair and also share with you guys the amazing benefits of lemongrass on your hair. So I just harvested this and I'm going to be using this much of the lemongrass. If you do not have this around, you can always get it from the supermarket. So yeah, I'll go ahead and cut this using my scissors because lemongrass, it's hard. Like, it will be very stressful to use a knife, so I go ahead and use my scissors to cut it up. While I'm cutting up the lemongrass, let's go ahead and talk about some of the benefits of lemongrass, or some of the benefits of using lemongrass on your hair. So lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps to keep scalp infections at bay and thus preventing hair loss or excessive shedding. Lemongrass also stimulates the scalp. This helps to increase the flow of blood to the scalp, thus promoting hair growth. Lemongrass also treats dandruff, as it also has astringent properties which helps to treat dandruff, as it helps to soothe and calm down the itchy and irritated scalp. So if you have scalp issues, you want to consider incorporating lemongrass into your hair regimen. So yeah, I'm done cutting up the lemongrass. I'll just go ahead and wash it under running water. You want to make sure you wash it properly because you don't want any unwanted organisms on your hair. So yeah, that's what I'll do. So the next ingredient I'm going to use for this DIY will be fenugreek. I love fenugreek so much. If you've been around for a while, you know I love to use fenugreek. So yeah, I'm going to add fenugreek into this DIY. Now I'm done washing the lemongrass and I'll go ahead and put it in a pot because yeah, I'm going to boil this up, and I'm just going to go ahead and combine the lemongrass and the fenugreek seeds in a pot and bring them to a boil. When it comes to the amount of water I use, I just normally eyeball it, but I just consider the concentration that I want the solution to be. So yeah, if you want it like super concentrated, then you can put little water, but if you want it like maybe normal or like really diluted, then you can add more water. So it just depends on what you're going for, on the concentration of the solution you're going for. So yeah, so when it's come to a boil, you want to let it cool and then you're going to strain it. After straining it out, this is how the solution looks. It's about 300 milliliters. Yeah, about 300 milliliters. So that's what I got. So now I'll just let it cool and then transfer it to my spray bottle. Right now, I'll go ahead and apply the solution to my hair, and I'm going to begin with applying it to my scalp because that's where the hair grows from and I want my scalp to be healthy. And yeah, I've been having some dandruff issues, so I'll focus on my scalp before moving to the length of my hair. When I'm done applying the solution to my hair and scalp, I'll just go ahead and massage it in for a couple of minutes. And yeah, that's it. Just tie your hair up and keep it protected. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.